In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to create a new employee record. Now, this is a lot similar to creating almost any record within the system. We're going to come into our employees module, and we will click New. From here, we have a multitude of information that we can fill out about these employees, or this employee, but we only really need an employee name, and that's all we need to actually create an employee. So it can just be a first name. However, you probably want more information than that. And you can add in these different things here. We can add employee tag, you can add tags, you can add a work mobile if they have one, a work phone, work emails, all sorts of things. You can assign them to a department, and you can assign them a manager, and we'll make Mark Demo his manager. You could also have a separate coach, but just know that the coach has no default or extra permissions. So once I save this, we'll have a hierarchy here, and we'll be able to see that. You'll see that hierarchy shows up, and that's kind of cool. Other things that we can fill out: who needs to approve expenses, who needs to approve their time off. That defaults to the manager unless it's someone different. You can set their work hours. We've got all sorts of countries in here that you can use. We'll put him in Juneau. Maybe he's in Alaska. You can set that. You can also add private information that doesn't show up. This will be information that not all the employees can see, that only administrators in the employee module can see. Emergency contacts, education, all sorts of fun stuff. Work permit information, and we also have, if you want to upload more files than that, than just one here, you can add files with this paperclip button. And then we have our HR settings, and this is where you can set job positions and other things here. You notice that changes up here. We can set up badge IDs, so if you have people that clock in and out on a badge, you can set that here. If you have a PIN code that they have to use as well as a badge, or identify manually, set in different kiosk modes and stuff like that, you can set your PIN code here. So lots of different things that you can do within this employee, but we'll just go from there. We'll go ahead and save that, and we've created that employee here in the system.